I'm Robert King, the founder of King Law. We represent over 2,000 individuals affected by PFAS exposure. PFAS, also known as a forever chemical, continues to become highly regulated through the EPA. It seems like it's the one thing the Democrats and Republicans can agree on is the need to keep PFAS chemicals out of the environment. Lee Zeldin, the director of the EPA, issued a statement just last week about increased scrutiny for wastewater treatment plants. In addition to that, you see major manufacturers like Gore, the manufacturer of Gore-Tex, and Patagonia taking PFAS chemicals out of their waterproof gear. These are some of the most profitable products that they make, and the fact that they're changing how they're made shows you that these chemicals are not going to be allowed in manufacturers' goods going forward. It's affecting their bottom line, and I think you can see some of that from the class action lawsuit that was just filed against Gore, alleging that they knew these products were dangerous and contaminate the environment. Finally, and most importantly, the federal court lawsuit, the multi-district litigation known as the AFFF litigation out of South Carolina, continues to pick up steam. And this is what we see oftentimes before a settlement. So last month alone, there were over 400 lawsuits filed into the multi-district litigation. It's the most in a year. Filings are increasing at a very high rate of speed. The rumors of a settlement are certainly circulating throughout the legal community. There are thousands of cases filed. There was already a settlement on behalf of the towns and municipalities approximately 2 years ago. The case is scheduled to go to trial in October, alleging that PFAS chemicals caused kidney cancer, testicular cancer, ulcerative colitis, thyroid disease, thyroid cancer, and liver cancer. We believe that there will be a settlement prior to trial. We believe that the defendants never want to see a jury decide whether or not what they did was wrong. If you're thinking about getting involved in a case like this because you have been harmed or potentially harmed because you have one of those injuries, give us a call. We see a tremendous amount of exposure from folks that spent time on a military bases. Military bases are some of the most contaminated sites in the United States. In addition, we have a list of all the zip codes where there have been positive PFAS tests. Happy to talk to you, private consultation, keep that lawyer-client privilege there, and explain to you in detail what the situation is. Robert King, this is the May 2025 PFAS update.